Joe's Golden Garage here with another Oatmeal Monday. No, I've never even had an Oatmeal Monday. Got some bad news on the 150,000 mile Lexus. It started a couple of days ago, and I could restart the car and it'd go away, and I could drive it a little while, and then it would come back on, and I'd have to park it and come back, start it, it'd go away, come back, come on, and you know, it was doing that for a couple of days until today. It's permanent now. So I'll just cut to the chase. I got the video of what it's doing, and you guys help me out. Give me some comments, some suggestions on where I should order and get my parts for it. You know, I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, but if I, you know, got to spend a couple $100, got to spend a couple $100. So anyway, here it is. Y'all let me know. Peace. And there she is in all her, beautiful glory. Such a good car. But now I got such a problem. And hopefully this is not a big deal. I am going to try and repair this myself. I may try and do it today. I've got to price the part. Well, here, I'll just go ahead and start it and show you. There it is. Not the flashing seatbelt, but the battery light. The alternator has gone kaput. It's been coming on and off the past couple of days. And usually I can just restart the car and that'll fix it. But that's not working anymore. Let's see. Gosh, you can't see a thing. It was making a pretty bad whining sound that I can't hear now. So I guess it's just completely failed. And I'm running on just good old car battery at this point. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not making a noise. So anyway, I'm gonna get on the internet. Y'all comment and tell me where the best place to order an alternator. I don't want a brand new one. I just want like a rebuilt or refurbished one. Comment below and tell me where I should get my alternator for this thing. I've already found a YouTube video on how to change it, and luckily you can get to it fairly easy by going from the bottom. I just need to get it up on my ramps and tackle it. So need an alternator. Y'all comment below, let me know where the best place to order one. I'm gonna go inside and start Googling and see what I can find. Y'all have a good one. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Peace.